बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू एस्पायरेंट स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम का पार्ट 3 करेंगे। 100 MCQ हम पहले कर चुके हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 102 है। 101 तक हमने पार्ट 2 में कर दिया था। इन हाइपोथेसिस प्लाज्मोडियम इज ए मलेरियल cause of bleed of healthy persons. The wheels around the mosquito biting point look red due to allergic reaction to the saliva. Data summarization is very important while going through a biological problem solution because transforms raw data into information. Weight of 1 liter of ethanol 789 gram. The most basic step of the biological method is observation. The biological method has played an important role in scientific research almost 500 years. Darwin's theory of evolution is a result of his own observations. Quantitative observations are considered more accurate than qualitative observation because quantitative are all of these, which is not a quantitative observation. The freezing point of water is colder than the boiling point. In an experiment to the test of necessity of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, which is the control group, plant provided with carbon dioxide. Two stages in which Plasmodium completes its life cycle are main and anophels. In mosquitoes, the Plasmodium multiples in stomach. The information such as names, dates, or values made from observation and experimentations is called data. Major biological problems in which knowledge of mathematics is used include all of these. Scientific method that we use in science and biology to solve biological problem is called as biological method. Man always remained a biologist. The biological method has been playing an important role for the last 500 years. Identify the right sequence of the biological method: observation, hypothesis, deduction. The preliminary step in solving a biological problem is observation. A liter of water weighs grams, 1000 grams. Attentive explanation of observation is called hypothesis. Which one of these is not characteristics of the hypothesis? Must be corrected. It should be a general statement hypothesis. Which option is the best to express the use of reasoning while taking observation? Deduction are derived from hypothesis. The logical result of the hypothesis is called deduction. In which century quinine was the only effective remedy for malaria from 17th century to 20th century? Which plant contains quinine in its bark? Quina. Which of the given option tells about the presence of chemical in cinchona? Bark, quinine. It is an effective drug for treating malaria. Quinine. Which disease had only treatment quinine from 17th and 20th century? Malaria. What is the name of the French army physician who contributes to the discovery of malaria? Levrin. When was Plasmodium discovered? 1878 AD. Ronald Rose performed experiments in 1880. In which year? A.F. King present his observations 1883. Who is responsible for the spread of malaria fever? Plasmodium. If Plasmodium is involved as a parasite in the blood of malarial patients, then it should be found in the blood of all malarial patient. Detection. The growth of Plasmodium in the human body takes place in liver. The cause of spread of malaria in human beings is anophels. Which group of animals fulfills the blood requirements of female anophels? Birds and mammals. In sparrow, malaria is spread by Culex mosquito. Dengue fever is transmitted by Aedes mosquito. The correct sequence of biological method is observation, hypothesis, deduction, experiment, and result. Experiment is done after deduction. Result and conclusion are taken on the basis of experiment. Before hypothesis, scientists must do observation. The first remedy of malaria was found in plants. Plants found in plants known as quina. Choose the correct match pair in the following option. Hypothesis, tentative आंसर। ये थे आज के पार्ट 3 के। इसके बाद हम पार्ट 4 क्लास करेंगे इसके। ये थे पार्ट 3। इसके बाद हम पार्ट 4 करेंगे सॉल्विंग ए बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम के चैप्टर 2 के। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। सब्सक्राइब एस्पायर स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल।